Jason's finally figured out the walker. Except he hasn't figured out the cabinets yet. You want to come get your brother? You want to come get Andrew? There you go. Go get him. Go get your brother. Ah! He's going to get his brother's breakfast. He's going to steal your blueberries. They're good? They're pretty good? What are you going to do about Jason over there? He's trying to steal your breakfast. Ooh, he's getting pretty good at that. Well, I guess you'll have to push him out of the way. There you go. There you go. Well, push him out of the way. There you go. There you go. That's it. Get him out of the way. There you go. Maybe aim him into the kitchen. How are you going to eat your breakfast if Jason's taking it? He really wants those blueberries, huh?
No.